In front of me is LENOVO Tab Extreme, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. Firstly, go into Devices Settings and scroll down just a bit to access Notifications and Control Center. Following that, hit App Settings at the top and simply click on the switcher next to one of your apps from which you want to block notifications. You can switch them back on by hitting the same now gray switcher. You can also click on Most Recent at the top and tap on the best viewed for you. In my case, Most Frequent. If you want to, you can also tap on one of your apps available on the left and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!